Now, let's delve into how to systematically enhance the washing quality of insulating glass, a process that in fact relies on multi-party collaboration and meticulous detail control, requiring deep cooperation between manufacturers and suppliers. First, source control, water quality as the fundamental threshold. The water quality standard is the cornerstone determining washing effectiveness. For daily washing, the ideal conductivity of the water should be controlled within 30 Siemens. When the value ranges between 30–50 Siemens, the quality of washed glass can still be guaranteed. However, if it exceeds this range, impurities and ions in the water may residue on the glass surface, forming water stains or scale, which severely affect the glass's cleanliness and light transmittance. Therefore, regular water quality testing and timely replacement or purification of water in the tank are essential prerequisites for maintaining stable washing results. Second, machine maintenance. Details define success. In daily machine maintenance, details often make the difference. After prolonged use, mildew powder and debris remaining on the surface of tempered glass easily get stuck in the gaps of brush rollers, rubber rollers, and abrasive components. These tiny impurities not only reduce the washing efficiency of brush rollers but may also scratch the glass surface during subsequent washing. Additionally, as components directly contacting the glass, rubber rollers, if not regularly washed, of adhesive residues and dirt on their surfaces can cause scratches or contamination on the glass during transportation. The water tank, as the storage area for circulating water, will turn washing water into sewage once excessive impurities accumulate, creating a vicious cycle. Thus, establishing a regular maintenance mechanism such as daily inspection and washing of key components and weekly deep washing of the water tank is an indispensable operational procedure. Third, machine design, precision in drying system engineering. Taking the 8-meter-high model equipped with a 2.5 kilowatt fan as an example, its drying system embodies meticulous design. While fan power is important, the synergy with air knives is core to achieving efficient drying. Air knives must rapidly strip surface moisture with strong, uniform airflow the moment glass exits the washing area. The angle of the air knife is particularly critical here. Extensive practice has proven that an inclination of approximately 75 degrees allows airflow to cover the glass surface at the optimal angle. This ensures sufficient impact to dry water quickly while avoiding uneven drying or water stains caused by improper angles. Moreover, details like the airbox's sealing and the shape design of the air outlet also affect the final drying effect. Any oversight in these links may lead to watermark residues on the washed glass. Fourth, holistic collaboration for quality enhancement. Improving the washing quality of insulating glass is never a single-step task but requires comprehensive coordination from water quality control and machine maintenance to technical parameter optimization. Only when manufacturers strictly implement standardized operation processes, suppliers provide high-quality and stable consumables and machine support, and both parties continuously communicate, feedback, and optimize details in practice can the washing quality of glass truly reach new heights, laying a solid foundation for subsequent insulating glass processing.
Contact Lingbo for free machine selection solutions.